Lesson 6, Google Docs, Sheets, and Creating Mailing Labels. This lesson will offer you a video and example sheet permitting you to create mailing labels. This is a tremendous tool used over the holiday months or any time. You may also design and create your own return labels. We will provide a video with step-by-step directions. Now, if you look carefully, we have just done that right here. In creating your folder, first, call it Mailing Labels, and then transfer the spreadsheet that we have listed on the website into that folder. Now, the first row of a Google Sheet has to be column headers, and then your data starts from row 2 onward. Open up new Google Docs, and this is the document where you will design your tools. We'll show you how to do this in the video, but simply put, you click on Add-ons and type in Avery. Now, if this is the first form you've used in creating labels, you should discover one listing which is free. It'll pop up. Click on it, and if this is the first time you've used this product, Avery Label Maker, you will have to confirm by clicking on your email account. Then click on Avery Label Merge. New Merge. It will say Working. Choose the product called Address Labels. Now, I normally choose 5160, 30 labels. There's 3 rows of 10. Hit Insert or hit Select. Okay? It will then ask you which spreadsheet you wish to use. Click on the address label spreadsheet that you created and click Select, and a box will appear on the left and the address headers will be on the right. Wait a few seconds while they pop up. Then go to the first header. It says Name, and click on it. It will automatically move to the box. Click on the second header in the box, which is Address, and it will move to the next line. Now, then when you've done those, click on Click City, comma, put a space, and then click on State, and it'll go right next to City, and then space, then click on Zip. So you have those 3. And then simply click on Merge, wait a few seconds, and then Open, and your labels will appear in a nice orderly fashion. You'll notice that we have the person's name at the top, then we have the address, and then we have the city, state, and zip code. Okay, it's that easy. Now, normally when you do this, you're going to put a special paper for labels, and that's the Avery paper, 5160. And what we'll have on one side are labels, and then they'll have stickums when you peel them off. Okay, let's watch the rest of the video and see how this works. Well, the first thing you wanted to do is create a folder called Mailing Labels. Let me open that up. Second, you uploaded the spreadsheet called Address Labels. Let me open that up. And we have the headers, name, address, city, state, zip, and we have all the people listed, as you can see. Radiator, Alice Lost, all the way down to Taffy Pull. Now, the next thing you wanted to do is you wanted to open up Google Docs, a clean sheet. And with Google Docs, here's a blank sheet. We open that up, and what we like to do now is click on Add-ons, and you'll notice we have Avery Label Merge. Well, we've already done that one time, so it's currently on there. I'm going to click on New Merge, and you'll notice at the bottom of the page it says Working. Now it says, which product do you want? I'm going to say Address Labels, and I want Avery 5160, 30 labels per sheet. And I'm going to hit Select, and it says, which spreadsheet do we want? Well, the one we would like to have is Address Labels. Double click on it. And you'll notice that what happens is on the left here we have the box where we're going to design our labels, and up here on the right are the actual headers themselves. Now this is really simple. The first one we want is name, so I click on it and it automatically comes down. Then I hit my enter key, goes to the next line, and I click on address. And it too comes down, as you can see. Third, hit my enter key and I want city. Click on it. It comes down. I'm going to place a comma and two spaces, and then I want state. Click on it so it's on the same line, and place two more spaces, and I want zip. Now at this point in time, remember this, when we did the Avery, since I did this before, I didn't have to confirm my email. You will if it's the first time you've used it. Not a big deal. It only takes an extra 3 seconds to do that. Now, if this is what we'd like to have, we are almost done. At the bottom of the page, you want to click on merge, and it's going to merge everything together. Now, if you have like 150 labels, it's going to take a while, but we only have 9, so it only takes a few seconds to do. Next, I'm going to click on open, and when I do that, here are our labels. We have 9 labels, 3 in each column. Okay? Now, hopefully that made sense, because this is the way it works, and it's really relatively easy to do. And like we said before, the chances of using this over the holidays is outstanding. Okay, well, thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.